This is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson is called Medium Note Essential Oils. Now, medium notes are very similar to the light notes. They move through the air quickly, not as quickly as the light notes. They get to their destination at the end of the room almost as quickly, and they tend to linger a little bit longer. But one thing that's very consistent about them, they're very floral and sweet smelling. And this is because they all contain oxygen. Now, these are some atoms or molecular structures of medium note essential oils. And what do they all have in common? They all have an O standing for oxygen. This oxygen in the essential oil molecule also helps them to be more floral and sweet to your nose. They also are really nice to have because they love the skin. Because there's oxygen in the molecules, the oxygen in the molecules love the water in your skin, on the surface of your skin. So these essential oils, medium note essential oils, tend to stay on the skin a little bit longer and help to add to the fragrance of a blend. Medium notes are wonderful, floral, sweet aromas. So let's look at essential oils that make up these medium notes, that are dominant in medium notes. First of all, we talk about lavender. Lavender is full of these medium notes. Also, geranium, rosemary, peppermint, spearmint, helichrysum. These are all wonderful smelling essential oils. In fact, they're probably the ones you love the most because they smell floral, flowery, and sweet. Now, let's look at an example of lavender essential oil. It's dominated by medium note aromas. So these medium notes, when you put lavender on your skin, you're going to smell those medium notes. Now, the medium notes in this case are the open circles. Now, that's what you smell first. So when you put a drop of lavender on your skin, you say it smells floral, strongly lavender, slightly sweet, strong herbal, and also a little spicy. That's from all the essential oil notes that make up lavender. But over time, the aroma changes on your skin. So after 15 minutes, you still have slightly floral aroma. You still have the lavender scent, but now you're also getting more spiciness to it. And after 30 minutes, you get this faint smell of woodiness in there because a lot of the light notes have already gone and dissipated from your skin. The medium notes are hanging around because of the moisture on your skin, but the heavy notes are still there and they start to impose themselves on the aroma that you're smelling. By 45 minutes, you have more woodiness to it. It's still a lavender aroma, but you have this also smell of a sweet ester. Now, between 60 and 120 minutes, all the light notes are gone. Some of the lavender middle notes are still there, and you can smell them. They smell like lavender, but then that lavender aroma starts to dissipate at 90 minutes to 120 minutes. And what's left over is the sweet ester on your skin and also the woody aroma. And these are the heavy notes that are left behind in the process of evaporation from your skin. I'd like you to try a drop of one of these medium note essential oils. Take a drop of lavender, of geranium, peppermint, or cinnamon. Cinnamon you need to dilute, of course, definitely. Put it on your skin and smell it over time. Make note of what the aroma is like. How does it change from 0 minutes to 60 minutes to 120 minutes? And if you can tune your nose to be able to smell these changes, you're on your way to learning about the value of essential oils and how wonderful they are for you and your environment around you. This is Dr. Cole Woolley, and this lesson has been all about medium note essential oils, how they behave in the air, and how they behave on your skin, and how wonderful they are in blends.